Okay guys, today I'm working on a Whirlpool washer and I've got it running a full load, pretty heavy jeans and towel load. It's doing a real good job. You can see there with the agitation. Lid switch works, but it pretty much only shuts down the rinse and spin cycle, I believe. But I'll show you that once we get there. I'm going to let it kind of move through this system here and I'll show you a couple different things. This is a little bit older style, but it's essentially built the exact same way. They're still being built today. So it's tried and true, runs great. I love selling this model, just like the Kenmores and other Whirlpools. Does an excellent job, direct drive. 28-point inspection on the washer, 22-point inspection on the dryer. I make sure everything runs perfect before it leaves my care here. And really the point of these videos is so that you can see that they work, as if you were standing here yourself testing it out. You know, when you take it home, plug it in, everything's going to work great. So we'll let this advance through its cycle here, come back for that final spin. Alright, we're moving into that spin cycle now. You can hear draining all the water out. Once it's done with that, it'll go ahead and kick in to the spin, so we'll pause it, come right back when it's at full speed. Alright, and we're at top speed on that final spin cycle. I'm going to lift up the lid and show you that the lid switch works, and it is spinning nice and fast. You can see it's smooth, it sounds great. Lid switch shuts it down. Nice fast spin. So I'm going to let that finish up, get the rest of the water out of those clothes. I'll move those over to the dryer and show you that the dryer works. Okay, now I've got a Whirlpool electric dryer. Those clothes are moved over here, so we'll close that up. Just hit this on time dry, high heat, hit go. You can see in here that it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you with my little temperature gun here. It's giving you the temperature in Fahrenheit, so whatever those two little red dots shine on or in between is where it's going to measure that temperature. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, shoot it right inside the heating element tube. You see plenty of heat coming out of there. Take that picture for the ad. So that comes out of that tube right there. The inside of your dryer is going to heat up between 95 and 195. Just depends on what you have these settings at here. You know, maybe you've got some sheets or delicates or something, you don't want it to get that hot. Or jeans and you do want it to get real hot. Either way, you can see it's heating and working perfectly. You can see in here that it runs smooth and works great. Do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks.